Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of my beloved master, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Bhagavata Vahini, Chapter 26, Curse or God Sent. Summary. Parikshit urged the messenger to get past his hesitation that revealed the full message. He told Parikshit about the anger of Seth Samika's son on seeing the dead snake on his father's neck, and that he had chased behind Parikshit and cursed him to die of Takshaka snake's bite after 7 days. He also mentioned that Seth Samika had divined that this would help the king to be liberated and blessed him too. King Parikshit was not disturbed in the least and took the curse to be a blessing instead, where he could focus on the truth rather than his kingly duties in the last 7 days of his life. He immediately crowned his son Janmejaya the king and set off silently on foot towards the Ganga, unconcerned with everything, while other learned men and subjects raced after him. When an aged Brahmin convinced him to reveal what had happened, Parikshit revealed the dead snake incident and its resultant curse. All the subjects lamented and prayed for the curse to be lifted. Key takeaways. Any single incident by itself is neither good nor bad. It's always our attitude towards it that will determine how it impacts our lives. The king's attitude was to be glad that the curse affected only him and not his subjects, and that he had 7 days to fully contemplate the Lord that he had dearly wished to do, that his kingly duties would not have allowed for. If we similarly believe that any apparently negative incident or disappointment in our life has to have been enabled by the Lord for our highest good, we will find something to learn from and appreciate in any adversity we face. The same Parikshit who sobbed dearly at being placed with the burdens of the kingdom when he wasn't ready for it and was disconsolate on the Pandavas walking away from him, did the exact same thing to his own son and his subjects. The difference between his boyhood and current state was the active realization of deep yearning for the truth that drove both the Pandavas' action then and his action now. When the wheel of ignorance lifts, may our actions be driven by the clarity of truth rather than the fickle pleasures and desires of this world. Now that he had suddenly only 7 days to live, how to spend it fruitfully emerged as key concern in the mind of Parikshit. The irony of this is that every day we too are like Parikshit. With every passing day, we are at least one step closer to death, whether it is the next day or several years later. Yet, we live obliviously till some impending direct threat emerges, pretending that it will never happen. If we lead our lives fully each day, not taking for granted that we will be alive tomorrow, we will be much more conscious and purposeful in our choices and the impact we make with them. End of chapter 26. Jai Sai Ram.